Look at you, look at me. Happy as we can
Alexa, open High Mirror. How to get rid of my dark circle.
High Mirror selected 3 popular articles related to your question.
On the count of 3, yeah, take a selfie. When I take a selfie, yeah.
Introducing the revolutionary Zillion Shiatsu neck and back massager cushion. With the Zillion massager, it's easy to experience complete massage relief at home or in the office. The sleek design offers a premium-grade shiatsu massage therapy to relieve achy muscles and improve blood circulation. With this advanced massager, you can customize your massage experience with 2 different sets of shiatsu massage nodes, one for your neck and one for your back. The back massage nodes have 2 different settings. You can choose rotating shiatsu massage or a relaxing rolling massage. Take your relaxation a step further and adjust the back nodes to separately target your upper back, lower back, or full back. You can also adjust the direction and height of the nodes in the neck feature to help you relieve muscle tension where you need it most. Elevate your massage experience and turn on the heat feature. There's even 3 levels of vibration intensity on the massage seat cushion to give you the complete massage experience. The Zillion massager is covered under a 1-year warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try risk-free. Now, relax and experience a whole new level of at-home massage with the Zillion Shiatsu neck and back massager.
Rushed mornings don't leave a lot of time for preparing breakfast. That's where the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. Now you can make a sandwich with fresh ingredients from home in under 5 minutes. Just choose your favorite bread, then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plate out and you'll have a perfectly assembled breakfast sandwich. Cleanup is easy. All removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and cooking surfaces are non-stick. A nutritious breakfast is possible with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Now that's good thinking.